we're going to be talking about NIN verification, but now we're going to be using the virtual NIN. Now, there's what they call the virtual NIN. The virtual NIN is a number generated that you can use instead to replace the former 11-digit NIN, which we know already. So you can still use the virtual NIN as your normal NIN. So it's just the same thing, but this time around, the virtual NIN is alphanumeric and it's 16 digits. Now we can see how it looks like here. Alphanumeric, 16 digits, unlike the normal NIN that is 11 digits. So before we continue, kindly like, share, subscribe, and drop your comments and feedback, what you think we should do to make life better. And I always advise, irrespective of the language, PHP is just a point of focus. You can still build the same thing, you can still verify your customers. So it's just a test. This is like a guide. Okay, you can use this, and this is how you should do it. So we'll dive straight to it. This is a post. You make a post request to this endpoint here. When you make the post request, then you pass in your API key, your app ID, your normal, your NIN as a number, your virtual NIN as a number, or your number NIN. Yeah, that's for your raw NIN. So once it's successful, you're going to get this response, and it's a whole lot. So you're going to get this number, then this JSON. Then from there, after getting the JSON, you're going to okay, let's say how then you can use it to do whatever you wish. Now let's look at it. Um, let's look at it here. So let's see virtual. So this is just it. So we're going to take our virtual. We're going to paste it here. Yep. So it's a whole lot of information. So this is everything here. This is virtual URL, phone number, state. So all this information can be gotten, and the person's photo. So this is it here. This is my test credential. So that's how you can verify if somebody's a customer's virtual NIN. So on your platform. So let's go down to the code and see how the code works. So this is it here. I'm going to close this. This is it here. Make a post request to this endpoint. So we are going to be doing it with coil. So different languages have different ways of doing it. So this is my test secret key and my application the JSON. Then you are going to be returning JSON. So this is for this. So let's go to the front end and see how it works there. So for the front end, it's actually as usual. It's not something very hard. So this is NIN verification, virtual verification function. You pass it in, you get the virtual NIN from your form, you pass it in. From there you can actually, let me see, I think this is a bug here. Good, I know. Okay, okay, I think that's all. You are good to go. So this is it. You get your success message and your failure message. Then yeah, so this is the whole success information here. Then we are good to go. So let's just check it out, and let's play around with it. It's something that's very nice to do, and I wish all of us good luck, and thank you very much for watching.